What's up, YouTube? It's the one and only Dime ADzn, and I am back with another video. And as you guys can see, I got on a mask, but it's not really on. See? I have on a mask. I have on some black gloves that I found in my car. Y'all, I can't talk like this. Okay, just gonna have to get put down right now. Okay, you guys. So yes, I am back with another video, and this is actually just I'm just gonna do some cooking, y'all. I'm gonna do some cooking. Y'all see my ingredients. So right now, as you guys can see, we have all of my ingredients set out. I am making omelet. Okay, so right now, you guys, the time is 1:55 p.m. And I know y'all probably gonna be like, oh, it is too late for omelets. It's never too late for omelets, okay? Me and my family, we want some omelets, so I'm gonna make us some omelets, and that's just what it's gonna be. It's never too late for an omelet. Omelets are bomb. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I make my omelets. Y'all saw some of my ingredients. So no more talking. I'm just gonna get into my video. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm probably going to do is cut up all the vegetables. I like to cut up all my vegetables first, just to get that out the way, because I feel like that's the biggest part for me when it comes to making omelets. So I'm just going to cut up all my vegetables, and then after I cut up all the vegetables, we can probably get cooking. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got the eggs already scrambled. And I cut up all the vegetables I had, or to your liking of whatever vegetables or meats or whatever you want. You just cut them all up. I prep first before I cook. That's just me. You don't have to. That's what I do. Makes my life easier. But we got some mushrooms. We got some cut up bell peppers. We got some cut up green onions. That's turkey for the meat eaters. My sister don't eat meat, so of course that's not for her. We got spinach. I leave my spinach whole. I don't cut them up small. I think they taste better that way. I don't know. If you want to cut them up, you can do that. We got onions, of course. Everyone loves onions. Those who don't, you're missing out. And we have cilantro, which cilantro is just bomb. So if you ain't tasted cilantro, you should try it. And of course, I got the egg still in here because I'm making omelets for multiple people, so I need more eggs. This might not just be enough, so we'll see. So now I'm gonna just get started cooking the omelet. Okay, y'all, so now that y'all see I got all my vegetables cut up or whatever, I'm just gonna add a little bit of seasoning to this. I'm not adding a lot. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like over seasoned stuff, so y'all ain't finna see much, but ground pepper, that's about it, and a little bit of salt, okay, y'all, because I'm not a seasoned person. I don't care for saucy stuff, okay? I'd rather my food be a little bland than salty, okay? So, with these gloves, I'm having a hard time opening up this song. See, that's what I be talking about. We gonna get it right, though. That's what I be talking about with this coronavirus. Oh, heck, okay. Okay, y'all, I gotta get a knife because clearly using gloves and trying to open up some salt ain't finna work. And these gloves are thick. Hold on. Okay, so y'all see I got the salt open with finally. So. Okay, and put a little bit. Okay. And of course you're gonna stir it. My hands were washed after the glove. Anyone that had something smart to say. Okay? I'd rather wash my hands 1,000 times than wear gloves on it. That's just me. Call it what you want. Okay, now that that's stirred, I am fit to get this omelet rolling. And I don't know about y'all, but I'll put my omelet on probably like medium heat. I don't know, maybe like medium or 4. So like, yeah, I put mine on like 4 or medium heat, and it's a gas. It's electric stuff, but I would say 4, or right here where it say medium. It's up to you, whichever one of your liking. And I'm gonna get started. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm adding some butter. Oh, that was kind of high. I'll turn it on low, y'all. I turned it to 3 instead of 4. Then, you're back. Here they go. I feel like I can turn the heat up a little higher. You can see I sprinkled some cheese on there. I'm just waiting for this to like be flippable. You don't want it to burn, but you don't want it. Okay. Burn. Okay, so I flipped it. I don't like how I did. Turn it on. And I'm just checking to make sure that the egg is almost melted, which is not. We keep it together. And here's the omelet. It is done. I'm not, let's make one thing clear, okay? This is like a disclaimer. I am not a chef, a professional chef. I do not work in anyone's kitchen. I have never featured on any cooking shows. So anything you see today, you guys, is how I cook my omelets. You don't have to cook them like that. You might be better than me, whatever the case may be. But this is how I cook. This is how I do my omelets. I've been doing it like this since I was a teenager. And I ain't gonna lie, ain't nobody complained yet. So I'm just letting y'all know. This is how I cook my omelet.
I'm gonna throw mine on today too while I clean up his house. And throw my record while I clean up.
All right, you guys. So y'all saw how the omelet was made. I made omelets for my sister's family and of course my family too.
Did you show them the after?
No, I showed them with well.
What they look like after all y'all these places.
Show you hot. Look, it's
Woo, they hot. They hot.
Told you.
Veggie, baby. Veggie.
And of course we got drinks.
Tabasco sauce.
And here's my omelet. And my sister like Tabasco sauce.
Tabasco sauce on omelets, y'all. Get with it. If you don't know, now you know.
We got the Tabasco
You heard it here
sauce.
first, Sassy.
And I'll put my camera back. Because, y'all, I know we don't really care for my outros anymore because I done made enough videos. I don't feel like I have to be perfect anymore. So, y'all seen our omelets. Yes, we got our drinks. Okay. So, yeah, y'all.
Oh, you was recording? I didn't even know you was recording.
Bitch, oh well, because it's show for to be on YouTube. I mean, the omelets are done. Y'all saw. If y'all want to make your omelets different, make them different.
And we got drinks too, y'all.
We got drinks and we petty.
Mm-hmm.
And well, y'all saw. Y'all can make them how y'all make them. My omelets be fire. My sister likes them.
I know. I'm excited to eat. I feel like she's talking too much. We're doing a lot of talking, a little bit less eating. I'm hungry.
So, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm done. I want to eat. Bye.